Today, I'm taking you inside a studio suite at the beautiful Villa del Palmar Flamingos Beach Resort and Spa in Riviera Nayarit, Mexico. If you're planning a trip to Puerto Vallarta or Riviera Nayarit and wondering whether this resort is worth your vacation dollars, stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to show you the studio suite, the pools, the beach, the dining options, and share my honest thoughts about what makes this resort so special. One of the biggest reasons why people choose this resort is a combination of spacious suites and a large, I'm talking double large, huge lagoon-style pool with swimmable beaches in the Puerto Vallarta area. And we are in Puerto Vallarta, beautiful Villa del Flamingos. And we have, are you ready? Drum roll, please. Ta-da! A stone shower. Look at this, extra hooks for our towels. A stone shower, absolutely wonderful. Step in here or take a lounge in here. Lean back against this sloped wall. How wonderful is that? And look at this, your controls are right here. We have the L'Occitane in Provence. We have our shower gel, our shampoo, and our conditioner. And I cannot wait. Let's smell that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. Absolutely beautiful. And that says repair, so that's what we need when we're at the beach. I knocked our bath mat, our floor mat, into the tub here. Let me step out. They do have grab bars, but it is quite a step getting out of there, okay? So watch yourself, hold the grab bar when you get out. This is lovely with all of the stone, and this is a glass just to let light in, but it's frosted so no one can see in. We've got a nice mirror, hair dryer, and nice cabinet space to just go ahead, move on in. We are here in this room for a week. I am so excited. We have two huge bath towels, absolutely beautiful there. No towel rack on the back of the door, but we do have that one there. And I love the stone. Okay, so let's see what we have. We have the almond and olive soap, and it is the Ridges. And I'm just getting the shampoo off my hand there. We have, hey, I'm craft paper pouch and I'm plastic free. We have a sewing kit. We have a vanity kit. We have a shower cap, and we have a shoe cleaner. So nice things there with some beautiful body lotion, some more stone here. And look, our hand towels and our washcloth is on another beautiful stone. So that is a lovely room. Let's take a look. We have the little kitchenette. Now we have a tiny room. This is not a one bedroom, my friends. This is not. This is just a smallest room here at the Villa del Palmar Flamingo in Puerto Vallarta. And look at this, beautiful dishes. Now we do have the all-inclusive. Now the all-inclusive is this beautiful band which doubles as your room key. It's also the all-inclusive. So anything I eat, anything I drink, they want our room number, and it's all-inclusive with this band. We have a coffee machine, but we don't have those kind of coffee pods with us. So we can get those at the store on campus if we want. Nice set of knives. We're in Mexico, so the few things are different than we're familiar with. And underneath the sink, we have our couple of small trash cans. We have snacks. I'm sorry, I brought this from Buc-ee's. Wonderful snacks. We've got this is a granola tart type bar. It is interesting. We've got a popcorn. We have some interesting chips that are hot pepper. We have some chips that are lemon and salt, lime and salt. We have our coffee. We have a nice little room inventory. That's interesting. Okay, so that's cool. Dish towels so we can do our dishes. Obviously, you see the other accoutrements here so we can make some mixed drinks there. We've got platters, plates, mugs for our coffee, cereal, etc. Nice microwave, and look at this, a 2-burner stove that we can use in the room with a refrigerator. Now, I went ahead and put some of my stuff in here, but since we're all-inclusive, these drinks are included with our all-inclusive, so that's really excellent there. And look how large. I am really surprised at this room. This is absolutely beautiful. We are on the 8th floor in the 3rd building. So now that is my extension cord. I brought my own extension cord. I unplugged their lamp so I could plug me in. But look, I absolutely love this. I cannot travel without it. I'm going to put the link in the description, and at no additional cost to you if you want to check it out and buy it. It costs the same whether you get it through my link or not. Look. Huge TV screen. I'll let you know about the channels. Now here in Mexico, you're going to get a lot of large jars as decorations. They're pretty cool. And this one I think is a porcelain. Isn't that cool? That's really cool. All right. And nice desk we can sit at. Bring your own paper, your diaries, junk journals to play with. We have a lovely couch that would open up too. So we could actually fit 3 or 4 people in this room, but it's just I and my husband, and we are in for a blast. And this side does have the controls for the air conditioner, as well as the room controls, the fan controls, the light controls. We are at the Villa del Palmar Flamingos Beach Resort and Spa in Riviera Nayarit, Mexico, and this is the Flamingos. I am so excited. In Puerto Vallarta, we just flew into the airport today. Service menu, guess what? If you get the all-inclusive on this band, my friends, everything is included, including your room service. Now, there are going to be premium items that you're going to find on the menus, and it says premium, such as the lobster. That's not included. And look at this lovely balcony. Oh, how wonderful is this room. Okay, so let's take a look at the balcony. We've got a table, 2 chairs. Ooh, I could get comfy out here. And look at this view. Is this not an incredible view or what? This is stunning. We've got the double pool. The top one is the infinity pool. Look how large that is. Absolutely incredible. And my friends, they have 6 restaurants on property. Now I kind of think that's a misnomer, if you will, because saying there's 6 restaurants on property when one changes from the snack and lunch bar into a different named evening restaurant, well, you be the judge. Absolutely gorgeous property, my friends. Ooh, I am going to show you around the entire resort. Now look down there at the stage. That's where they're going to have all kind of evening meals set out there, as well as entertainment. Absolutely wonderful. And at the pool, they're actually entertaining right now. They have activities all day long, and it looks like they're playing, wow, I don't know, some kind of blackjack there, isn't it? How fun is that? So I am going to go ahead, finish getting on my bathing suit, and get out there to the pool, take advantage of the afternoon before we start into some of the evening celebrations. And what you're going to see in a couple more videos that I'm going to put out is, my friends, it is a full moon tonight. So I'm so excited. I hope to get sunsets and full moons and really show you what this property is all about, give you a full tour. So hit that subscribe button. I want to see you right back here, and we're going to check out the rest of Mexico, shall we? If you're looking for a relaxing, spacious, slower-paced beach resort, this could be a really great choice. But if you want nightlife, constant action, or ultra luxury, you might want to look elsewhere. So my friends, for me, the view, the space, and the vibe made it worth it. If this helped you decide, make sure to subscribe. I've got more honest travel reviews coming from right here in Mexico. And if you've stayed here, share your experiences in the comments. I would love to hear about them. So my friends, keep traveling. Share those ideas with me. And we are traveling Mexico. We are traveling the States. We are traveling Europe. I'll see you again real soon. Have a great day.